Welcome everyone to Beyond the Adventure. Today's episode is a Granville Harvest Fair, and let's get started. So opening this episode up here, I saw this cool little sign on the Granville Town Common. I wanted to show that to you guys. Now anyways, doing the talking right here, we are actually just leaving Feeding Hills, heading out to Southwick and then to Granville, which is where the fair is located. Now I took you guys to Granville a few years ago. We went to the Granville Gorge. If you guys missed that episode, I will put the link up here or down below in the description. Now anyways, Granville this past weekend was holding the 37th annual Granville Harvest Fair. This is us just heading out towards Southwick right now. You can actually see some of the trees are starting to change their colors, so I'm going to be going out a little more and showing you guys some foliage in the upcoming weeks on the channel. Anyways, the annual Granville Harvest Fair features crafts, food, music, books, and demonstrations. Enjoy locally made ice cream and maple syrup, visit the historic drum factory, and purchase handcrafted items from local artists. Now, this event, like I said, has been going on for 37 years. My dad said that he remembers going to it when he was younger. Now, here we are heading out into Southwick right now. This whole stretch of road really has developed over the past 10 or 15 years. There's just a bunch of businesses everywhere you look. Now this is a very nice drive going out here. If you have a motorcycle, I would recommend going out this way, especially when you get up towards where the mountain is located. Here we are actually, I believe in a little bit, we're going to be coming up on where the Granville Gorge is. If my memory serves me correctly, it's going to be on the right-hand side of the road. But like I said, you can see a lot of the trees. Some of the trees are very, very bright, vibrant, while other ones are completely green still. Right here, that mountain on the left, right at the base of the mountain, right now on the right is where the entrance to the Granville Gorge is. I absolutely loved driving up this little stretch of road right here on the motorcycle. I've gone up here a couple of times before on the bike. I like driving up here in the winter as well. It's a very nice view and a very nice short drive if you want to get away from like a downtown area and go up into the mountains and not go too far away. So anyways, here we are getting closer to where the Granville Town Common is. You can see all these signs on the side of the road that say no parking. These were there last year, so you couldn't park. The fair and the town common are going on to the left at the last shot right there. So here we are. We actually found I believe it was a school parking lot, and when we had drove up here, we thought the fair started at 10 o'clock in the morning. Come to find out, it started at noon, so we ended up driving around for a little bit. We parked after about an hour of driving around and then just decided to head in there because there were a couple people walking around. Now anyways, there's a sign, like I just said, for the Harvest Fair. Here we are heading towards the center of the town common. Absolutely beautiful old car right there. Love to get my hands on something like that, especially something with that color of teal, that color of blue. I really like that. If I had a CJ, I would definitely paint it that color. Anyways, here we are just kind of sitting in the back there trying a couple of the different foods out that they had. We had shrimp fried rice, which was really, really good. We also had a pulled pork sandwich with coleslaw on it. What else did we get at this fair? We got some donuts from one of the local donut places. There's just a bunch of different arts and crafts. Now, I do apologize, the camera is a little shaky in this episode, both because I was walking Finn and I'm still getting used to trying to hold him with the leash and hold the tripod and hold the camera at the same time and get a, balanced, not shaking shot. And also, I know a lot of people that make arts and crafts and stuff like this don't really like their stuff being filmed, so if there were vendors, I would kind of show some of their stuff. I didn't go into their tents and film everything. It was just trying to be respectful of these people, try to make their own unique items up, so I don't want to look as if I am stealing their idea or anything like that, if you guys get what I'm saying. Also, there's a lot of kids and stuff like that around, so you don't really want to get kids on camera and everything like that, but this is a pretty decent sized fair. During this same weekend, the event known as Celebrate Holyoke was going on in my hometown. I will throw a link up here if you guys want to check that out when we went a few years ago, but we went to Celebrate Holyoke on Saturday, and I had originally planned on filming an episode of Adventure Wednesday down there, but there really wasn't a lot going on. There was only a couple of vendors, and there was probably like 100 people down there. This quiet little mountain town up here, up in the hills, had a lot more people. Anyways, that is the end of the episode. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you enjoyed the footage, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and tune in next week on Adventure Wednesday, where I take you guys on our yearly trip up to Hogback Mountain. Peace.